Hi students, welcome back to the continuation session of our last session. That's what we are talking about groups. This is a part 6. Now today we are going to talk about part 7. That is classification of elements. Under that we are talking about groups. In the last session we were talking about what is the method that which is followed by H.J. Moseley in order to group the elements according to the electron configuration. While grouping the elements according to the electron configuration, he came to know that the last differentiating electron is playing a major role in order to categorize the elements according to the group. That is, if the last differentiating electron is periodically repeated, those such type of elements he has kept as a vertical column, and he named that vertical column as group. Okay, what does it mean? Hydrogens 1s1 is electron configuration, that is differentiating electron is s1. Again 2, that is helium is 2, 1s2. The third one is lithium, that is 1s2, 2s1. See, 2s1, again 2s1. S1 configuration, if the differentiating electron is in S1, that is being taken as first group. Okay, NS1, general formula of this first group is NS1. That means all the elements which are present in this vertical vertical column. In this vertical column, all the elements, the differentiating electron, either it may be 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1, 7s1, 8s1, like that it goes on. That is, the last differentiating electron is going to follow the rule, the same S1, NS1. All that elements which are been arranged, H.J. Moseley arranged those elements in the vertical column, and he named that as group. Okay. Now second one, if I go, of course helium should be taken at the 18th group. Okay, why it is taken? According to the configuration, it is 1s2. It is in second group, but according to the behavior and the properties, it will be taken into the 18th group. About helium, we will have a special discussion that we will discuss later on. Okay, but as of now, as initial stage, you take it as helium is 2, that is 1s2, and the next one boron is 1s2, 2s2, that is S2 are going to fall. Okay, our S2 elements 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, 7s2, that is NS2. General formula of NS2 is going to fall in the segment of second group. Okay, now third group, whenever you are talking about third group, that is NS2NP1. NS2NP1, he was talking about third group, or that is 4s2, 4p1. This all should come in, all 4s2, 4p1 should come here. Again, 4s2 should come, 4s2, 4p2 should come here, and 5s2, not 5, this is again 4s2, 4p3 should come here, again 4s2, 4p4 should come here actually, and 4s2, 4p5 should come, and 4s2, 4p6 should come here. Okay, but after completion of this should come, this should that is a predicted elements that what is should going to come here. That is 4s2, 4p3, 4s2, 4p4, 4s2, 4p5, 4s2, 4p6. That is the expected element to come. But according to the configuration, if I go to the 21th element is scandium Sc. That is scandium configuration 21. If I write the configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. See here, 10, 20, 4s2. After that, according to the Euler chart, see that according to the Euler chart which is being stated in page number 118, according to the Euler chart, after 4s, 4p will not come. Okay, after 4s, 4p will not come. Again, you have to go back. 3d will come. 3d. So 10, 20, 21, that is nothing but 3d one. Okay, so last differentiating electron is V1. Last differentiating electron is V1. If I write in this state, if I keep this scandium, after 21 should come. But according to the atomic number, 20 after 21 should come. But according to the configuration, if I discuss that this general formula is not matching with the scandium's general formula or differentiating electron. The scandium differentiating electron is not matching with the general formula of the third group. Okay, that's why as the scandium is not following this general formula of this third group, and instead of keeping that element, if to write this scandium in place of scandium, some element should be written. For example, some element should be written where it is going to fall the same configuration is, that is 31st element should come here. That is 31th element. We have gallium Ge. Sorry, Ga. Gallium is Ga. Configuration, if I write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10 up to here 10, 20, 30, 3d10 and 4p1. Okay, so it is the formula of ns2 np1, 4p1. 4p1 will come and that is gallium's configuration is going to come and is going to match with this third group. But 31th element I can't keep after 20 I can't keep 31th element, because the element should be arranged in ascending order of atomic numbers, and the arrangement is based on the electron configuration. As per the electron configuration, if I go, gallium should come first here. Gallium should be occupying at this 31st place, but actually according to the atomic number, scandium should come. So to get the conclusion for that, Mosley has been shifted this row, this column onwards, NS2 NP1 column. He has shifted this 10 steps ahead. 10 steps. He pushed that column 10 steps ahead, so that scandium, that is 21th element, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. These 10 elements are going to occupy the space here. As it is being shifted this side, these 10 elements are going to occupy this place, where this gallium is going to, after 20 steps. What does it mean? See how it is going to happen. So see this concept, what is the same thing I am writing in the tabular form. It is NS1, NS2, this is NS1 NP1 state, and NS2 NP2, NS2 NP3, NS2 NP4, NS2 NP5, NS2 NP6. NS2 NP6 we have. Now according to the configuration of 21st element is not going to fall in that NS2 NP1 formula. Just now we wrote 21th element, but 31 is going to have the NS2 NP1 formula general configuration. Gallium has NS2 NP1, that 4s2 4p1 is going to match. Okay, so 31th element I can't keep here, even though it is matching this formula. 31th element is going to have the general configuration of NS2 NP1, but 21 is not having that state. 21 I have to keep according to the atomic number. 31 I can't keep, but 31 is matching this formula. To get 21 is not matching the configuration, but it is as per the sequence of atomic numbers. But 31 is not as per the sequence of the atomic numbers, but whenever it is going to form the electron configuration. To get rid of this confusion, Mosley has shifted this table. Okay, Mosley has shifted this table 10 steps ahead, because he had to write 21, 22, 23, 24, 20, sorry, 26, 27th element, 28th element, 29th element, and 30th element. It is going to occupy this place. After 10 steps ahead, it has been taken. Then after here it was the NS2 NP1 state. NS2, this is NP2, NP3, NP4, NP5, NP6. So after this 31th element, as it has been shifted, this column has been shifted 10 steps ahead, and this 31th galleon is going to have the same configuration. NS2 NP1, NS2 NP2. After 32, 34, 35, 36, these all elements are going to form this gender form. Now the problem has been solved now. Okay. After 21st element is going to come, where it is 3D10, 3D1. Sorry. That is 3D1, 3D2. That is ND1 formula. NS2. This configuration is NS2, NP6, ND1, and so on, ND2, and so on, ND3, and blah 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 blah. Here NS2, NP6, ND10 configuration is going to occupy these 10 places. So like that it has been shifted. So now how many groups are there here? Let's see if you count. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 groups. 18 groups are there. It is being given as one. Actually, in the initial stage, it is being given as, you go to page number 132 so that you can understand this. First group, this is second group. Actually, when the configuration has been started, the third group is NS2 NP2. This is third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group, and this is eighth group. Okay, that eighth group, last element is eighth group. That is 4, 5 has come here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 12. After that 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 has come here. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 has come here. Like that it is going to expand the table, and after this, to get, initially it was 1A, it's a 2A, it is 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A was the group names. It has been given in Roman numerals. Okay, and to continue this, this was given as, okay, this group is been given as 1, 2. Again, this is third B. This is 3B. To continuation, actually 1, 2. After that, initially that is 1, 2. This was the third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group, eighth group. So it is being given as 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A. Up to that has been given. As that is been shifted 10, the columns are been shifted 10 steps ahead. That to get the continuity 1, 2, 3. 3B has been taken here. Next is 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B. These 3 columns have been taken as 8B. Again, this one, to have a continuity 2, third A, it has been taken as 1A, 1B and 2B. 1B and 2B. This type of arrangement are been given. Does not it is a confusion? 1A, 2A, 3B, 4B. Isn't it? It is a confusion. Okay. This was the initial arrangement. To get rid of the confusion of this Arabic numerals with the subscripts or the sub arrangement A and B, IUPAC, International Union for Standard, IUPAC, that is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. UPSC is the international union. Where it is going to have, it's a UPSC, it is going to have the notations and accepts all the changes and all the laws which are been proposed by the scientists. Sorry. Okay, to get rid of the confusion of 1A, 2A, 3A like that, it has been given as Arabic numerals. That is 1, 2, third group, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Direct numbers has been given 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the 13th group, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These 18 numbers have been given for the groups. How to identify the group according to the configuration also we can identify. Okay, that is NS2, S2, NS2 second group, NS2 second group. Okay, NS2 second group, NS1 first group, S1 first group, S2 second group. Like that you can identify. S2, see NS2 second group, NS1 first group. See here for this one, NS2 NP1, 2 plus 1 3. See NS2 NP1 formula 2 plus 1 it is 3. 3 is nothing but third group, third A group. 3 is nothing but third A. If it is third A, that is nothing but 13th group. Third A, 13th group. Suppose NS2 NP2, 2 plus 2 that is 4. 4 means 4th A group. See 2 plus 2 4. NS2 NP2 that is 2 plus 2 4. General configuration. 2 plus 2 4. 4 is nothing but 4th A group. 4th A group is nothing but 14th group. 4th A is nothing but 14th group. Like that you can edit. Suppose if you have general formula of like this. Suppose for example I am writing the configuration of chlorine. Suppose for example chlorine, which group it is going to fall I want to write. Chlorine that is 17, 1s2. Suppose some element is been given, which group it is going to fall, just that question will be asked like that. So what is that? You have to write chlorine. This configuration you have to write electron configuration 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 10, that is 3p5. So it is going to form in the NS2 NP5 formula. Okay, NS2 NP5 that is 2 plus 5. That is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So it is going to be under 7th A group. That is 7th A group, nothing but 17th group. See like this. See, 7th chlorine is 17, 7th A group, that is nothing but 17th group. Like that we can identify. Okay, that is general configuration of the respective group. The general configuration of the respective group shows in which group that element is going to fall. Okay, that means from this discussion what we can conclude is that Moseley has divided his modern periodic table. Moseley has divided his modern periodic table into 18 vertical columns. Okay, and this 18 vertical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 vertical columns, and all the elements which are this name, the vertical columns are being given as groups. That means Moseley's modern periodic table has 18 groups, and all the elements in that group, all the elements which are there in that respective group, have the differentiating electron in a respective general form, that is repeated. See, this NS2 NP1 state is repeated with fifth one, it is going to be repeated with 13th element, it is going to be repeated with 31th element, that all repeated elements are going to fall under that vertical column and it is named as group, and all the elements which are there in this group are going to follow the similar properties. All the elements which are present in the group will follow the similar properties, and 18 elements are there, 18 groups are there, and initially it is being given as Roman numbers with a subtitle, that is 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A. To get rid of that confusion, nowadays we are using the Arabic numerals 1 to 18. How to identify that 1 to 18 and group number? According to the general formula. Last differentiating electron general formula, that is Ns to Np5. So Ns to Np5 is nothing but 2 plus 5. See, Ns to Np5. 2 plus 5 is 7. That is 7th A group. 7 is 7th A group. 7th A nothing but 17th group. Okay, 7 it is 17th. According to the Arabic numerals. Like that we are going to have the just overview summary of that groups. Next we talk about periods in the next session. I hope you understood this. As our discussion continues about groups, we will have further extension of our explanation. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.